In this video, we're just going to walk through how to melt our chocolate. We're going to melt our chocolate the same way for each project. So we're going to be using these white paper cups that came in our kits. You could also use any heat safe bowl or cup. The only type of bowls that I personally would stay away from would be wooden bowls as well as wooden utensils. So to melt our chocolate, we're going to go ahead and put whatever quantity of wafers we want to put into our cup, and then we will go ahead and we'll put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. So at the end of our 30 seconds, we're going to take our cup out of the microwave and we're just going to take a peek inside. Okay, so it doesn't appear that it's melted much, right? So we're going to go ahead and give it a stir. Yeah, it hasn't melted much. But y'all, my microwave is special. I just want y'all to know that. Alright, so we're going to put it back in for another 30 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to get there. I think one more blast of 15 seconds and we should be fully melted. But I am gonna just give it a stir because that assists. But it's still a little lumpy. All right, so 15 more seconds. Okay. We are fully melted, nice and smooth. All right, so just to recap what we just did, we put our wafers into the cup, we put the cup into the microwave for 30 seconds initially, and we let it start to melt. We took it out of the microwave and then we put it back in and stirred it, and then we put it back in for 15-second intervals, and we made sure that we stirred it up in between each interval. And that's it. That's how you melt your chocolate.